All right, how do we do punch windows? Punch windows are typically done from the outer edge of the wall to the center line of the punched window or the opening. So let us take a look at this opening on this side. So from that very edge to the center is total of 410 plus 1 foot 6, which is half of the 3-foot window, which is totally 6 foot 4 inches. So what I like to do is extend this line a little bit larger and then offset it 6 foot 4 inches. 6 foot 4 inches. 6 feet 4 inches. I'm going to offset this line. So that's the center line of this window. Then the window is total of 3 feet. So then I will offset it 1 foot 6 on either side. 1 foot 6 inches on either side. One to this side, one to that side. That's my opening. What I like to do is extend the center line so it becomes very clear that's the center of the window. I can trim this one where it was back before. I just leave it alone, however you wish. Then I'm going to look at this window, which is 2 feet 10 plus 1 foot to the center line. So again, I like to sort of extend it just a little bit. All right, cancel. All right, so pick it up, offset it, total of 3 feet 10 inches. 3 feet 10 inches. Offset it to this side. Once I offset it, I go 1 foot on either side because my total window size is 2 feet. 1 foot to this side, 1 foot to that side. I'm going to offset 1 foot, 1. Here it goes, 1 and 1. I'm going to extend this one just a little bit so it becomes very clear. That's the center of my window. I am done with my punch windows in terms of the sketch.